Welcome. In front of me is an ACER Iconia P11 Pro, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this tablet. So to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen, which will reveal a bunch of toggles, and in here we should be able to find somewhere a recording toggle. For me it is located on the second page. Once you see it, you can tap on it. This will allow you to record audio. If you want to, you can obviously turn it on, and in the drop down menu you can choose what audio will be recorded, and you have a choice between device, microphone and both. And then we also have show touches on the screen, which will record a semi-transparent gray dot wherever your finger was pressing the display. Now after 3-second countdown it will begin recording with the notification sound. You can just see this little dot right here under my finger following me. Now you can open up almost any application and it will be recorded. Here it looks like every app that comes with this device can be recorded, but you might encounter sometimes apps that you won't be, which some of those will be things like, for instance, Netflix or Spotify, basically any kind of streaming application that previously started by pirating their content and now basically makes you seem like the bad guy for trying to pirate theirs. So rules for thee, but not for me. Typical corporate stuff. Now, if you're planning to pirate any kind of videos or anything like that using Spotify, or not Spotify, but like for instance Netflix, you're doing it wrong. I highly recommend checking out CloudStream. It's on GitHub, you can thank me later. Anyway, so once you stop the recording, which you've seen me do by just pulling down the notification and selecting stop, it will get automatically saved into your Photos application. If I can actually find that, oh, it's right here. And you can see it right here under Movies. So you can see it playing. You can also see this dot right here. That's where the finger was pressing the screen. So yeah, there we go. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful. And if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.